Whiskey Zulu Alpha, focus on approach runway 13, contact tower 135, decimal 105, goodbye.
15107, no problem.
Goodbye on Oller, clear direct approach runway 13, report established.
By and Oller, clear, ILS approach runway 13, Wilco.
That's
I had a colleague who wanted to press the approach now. We captured the wrong local level and the wrong flight schedule and was told us.
Oh,
So I would definitely repeat it.
I was going into Washington. No, was it? Yeah, it was Washington. And we were in front of the ILS. And I hit the approach button and it started turning right to intercept the other ILS, which is on the other side.
I think the KO distance is like 17 miles, we would have landed on number. Bozo. Bozo is like the green gem a little bit, more quiet.
Yeah.
And Malta especially in the east, the northeast is kind of course.
Go for it.
Radar, hello, Ryanair 2182, passing 2,300 feet, climbing 5,000 feet on go to 3 Bravo.
Thank you.
Red 182 already identified climb to flight level 140. Climb level 140, Ryanair 2182.
I have 1016 passing 6,800 feet.
Oh yeah, 301 to radar duty.
And cross checked. APU on, CAX on, APU approach and set identified. Signs on, water readiness on the ground.
Malta radar
Approach check is completed.
Radar Oya 301, good afternoon. Yankee.
Yes, 01,
and
continue via
110
far,
degrees.
confirm 2,500
Cutoff
feet,
K.
proceed to
Temperature 29er.
center holding area.
2.20.
Holding area.
Noted.
Hoya
On
30.
first contact with Luca radar, notify receive of Yankee.
Rare 2182, right hand, proceed to all left.
This is
Right
Luca
hand to all left,
arrival
right hand to 182.
information Yankee. Time 1616 Zulu.
Alright, there's 17 miles.
SILS approach
And the
runway
approach
13.
lock flights up.
Transition
Check,
level
check.
70. Runway
A few days
23.
after the mist.
4 VFR flight. Wind, runway 13, variable, 2 knots, varying between 210 and 110 degrees. Cutoff K. Temperature 29er, 2.20. QNH 1016. Noted. On first contact.
Yeah, it's a cool thing about Malta. You can have a perfect continuous descent final approach.
Alright, it's coming up at 12 miles. Speed is 205, flat 20. Checked.
1,000 to go.
Checked.
Contact tower 135.105 to advance.
135.105. Goodbye.
Rare 2.
Lua Tower, good day. Established ILS approach runway 13, 9 nautical miles.
Hello Tower, good afternoon, with 320 degrees, 6 knots, runway 13, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 13. The flight slope is going below.
Yeah, I can see. Disconnecting.
I'll just raise the thing. I'll just give you a vertical speed.
Yeah.
Off. Flight slope is still armed. So it's,
You know what?
just watch your speed.
Yeah. What distance are we at now? Okay, 7 miles. I'm bringing it set speed 160 for me, gear down, flat 30.
Speed 160 set, disregard. Flight slope is coming up.
Checked.
Flat 30 set. Thank you.
And then we'll get flat 45.
Goes fast. Yeah, the VNF was not perfectly armed.
Alright, set
Full landing
speed
checklist.
127 for me.
Set. Full landing checklist.
Please.
Cabin.
Secure.
Secure it. There's the flight. Nice. Okay, we can call in TS off landing gear.
Down indicating.
Down indicating. Anti-skid system. Check thrust reversers.
Armed.
Armed flaps.
Down set 45 and
45
indicating.
landing clearance obtained. Before landing check is completed. Mr. Approach altitude is set. Flight slope captured.
Check stabilized.
The tower confirm after landing. You would like us to backtrack?
to vacate for Charlie or Delta.
Vacate Charlie or Delta.
Okay, as briefed.
Checked.
500.
So Charlie's the normal one and Delta would be a little bit.
Yeah, of course.
$400.
Approaching minimums.
Continuing.
Minimums.
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Spoilers up. 2 reverses.
Checked.
Echo next one is Charlie or Delta. There's Delta, braking. Thank you. Fix the mic controls. Nicely done.
Vacate left, contact ground 121.605.
Left the 121605.
Golf Whiskey Zulu Alpha Papa, cross run, continue to Juliet, cross runway 23 and continue via Kilo.
Continue Juliet, cross runway 23 and confirm hold Kilo.
Continue on Kilo.
Continue on Kilo, Golf Alpha.
I'm gonna have to vacating at Delta.
Juliet, 121.05.
Lower ground, taxi to holding point Juliet via uniform Victor Whiskey Tango.
Taxi to holding point Juliet by uniform Victor Tango.
Correct, and whiskey.
And with uniform Victor Whiskey and Tango.
Uniform
Correct,
Victor.
9
I see to the right.
We're doing this little thing around here, yeah, because the big is blocked there.
Just following the ground signs for the moment.
Yeah.
After landing.
Ryanair 64 Whiskey Quebec, roger, stand by. Ryanair 64 Whiskey Quebec, taxi to holding point Foxtrot via Victor and Whiskey QNH 1016.
Probes are off, windshield is off, transponder is out of flaps are 0.
Give way to the Ryanair taxiing out from stand number 2.
Giving way to the Ryanair stand 2. Where was I? Probes, windshield are all off, transponder is out of, flaps are 0.
India Alpha November, lower ground,
Weather radar is off, flight spoilers are retracted. Reset.
101.
Let's check this is complete.
Attention for VFR flight 2 Gozo and then come back for some VFR test from runway 21 POV. Request start up and then
9 November, start of approved, break, Golf Whiskey Zulu Alpha Papa, right on Oscar, stand number 10.
Can you imagine now landing on runway 31 with that sound?
Golf Alpha Papa, just to confirm it's Oscar, not Oscar Inner.
I confirm Oscar and not Oscar Inner and then land 10 Golf.
Thank you.
What?
9 November, reported to the copy clearance.
It's a parallel taxiway there.
Can you copy
Could it be?
9 November, clear to operate in the control zone after departure, runway 23, proceed VFR to Dingley radar, not above altitude 1,500 feet, squawk 3601.
Yes, to operate control zone after departure, runway 23, VFR flight to the radar, not above 1,500 feet, squawk 3601.
So Tango is the new
And
parallel
in India November,
taxiway.
read the correct information, Oscar, report ready for taxi.
Wow. I'm like amazed. Yeah, because the parallel taxiway didn't exist in the past and it was just a nightmare. You know, to kind of get clearance to backtrack the runway. especially when there were a lot of inbounds. Oh, bless them. That's a huge improvement.
Oh yes, they were building it the last time. It was about a year ago since I've been here.
Yeah, I was sure that it would take him
614,
since
contact
forever.
tower
but,
135 is 105, left on hotel.
Left on hotel, tower 135, 105, Skynet 614, geography.
I was convinced it would be closed like forever. So Juliet, that's more in the north over there, right?
Yeah, look, Juliet 1 is the point here. Look, just up here.
Oh, got it. Yeah, that one I know from the old days.
So we're going up here to the top of 2-3 and around that way in Kilo.
Look around, good evening, Postman 293, departure clearance 2 Bologna.
Even have a new road here at the side over the roadway.
Ground, good evening, clear to Bologna via
Cool.
Gozo 3 Bravo departure, runway 13, climb to altitude 5,000 feet, squawk 6577.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's an apron/taxi lane.
Yeah. Full of Ryanair
Roger,
soon
clear
enough the
destination.
one I take anyway.
Clear destination Bologna,
Which is the
via Gozo
cheapest
3
one,
Bravo
the new or the
departure,
old?
auto
New one,
413,
grand,
climb
there.
5,000 feet and squawk 6577, Postman 293.
Passing 7923, read back correct, report ready for start.
Welcome.
Ryanair 64 Whiskey Quebec, report ready with tower 135.105, goodbye.
135, 105, sorry.
It was like a huge ditch in the taxi lane, so I didn't want to go over it.
Number 757. Jesus.
And that DHL aircraft is like a staple. It's always here.
Cross threshold via Juliet, cross threshold 23, continue to holding point Kilo 1.
Via Juliet, cross threshold 23, continue to Kilo 1.
Oh, where's Kilo?
Kilo 1 is this little beautiful thing over here, the second line.
And it's
9 Hotel India Alpha November, taxi to holding point Romeo via November and Lima, QNH 1016, report on Lima.
Taxi to holding point Lima via November Lima, QNH 1016, 9 Hotel November.
9 Hotel India Alpha November, correction, taxi to holding point Romeo via November and Lima, report on Romeo.
Taxi to November, taxi to
a lot
holding
of
point
sweating on
Romeo
that
via
taxiway
November
as well.
Lima, and advise when on Lima, 9 Hotel India November.
the Seneca, 38 degrees.
No, you want to
9
put a
November,
towel on
QNH
the top of your head.
1016.
You want to put a towel on your head.
9
And then
November,
put the
QNH
headset over the towel.
1016.
It's the only way you're going to keep control of it. Used to do that in Florida.
Malta Ryanair 11 Kilo
You're sitting
Quebec.
there when you're in the Warriors used to open the door
Ryanair
and
11
let the
Kilo
air in.
Quebec, information on
But if
start
you're in
approval.
Information of
The 172s used to be able to open the windows.
9 Alpha November, QNH 1016.
Right, it's clear. Oh, yeah,
QNH
turn it on.
1016, Minor Hotel India.
Were they still on before?
No, I turned them
Okay.
off.
And that's the VFR runway. But yeah, it's also suitable for business jets. And,
Was the buildings right there, or the one across the other side?
this one where the 737 is sticking out behind
Ah,
the block.
Dog ground, Minor Hotel India for November. Holding point November and training left on Lima.
By the way, this holding point that we are crossing, super popular point to miss.
Continue straight. We advise there's a Sierra on Lima, currently opposite direction. Will shortly turn right on Romeo. For now, continue straight ahead.
continue straight ahead, traffic inside this jet 527.
Roger, continue to apron 3 behind via Lima November.
Where?
Apron 3, Lima November.
Apron 3, Lima November.
Correct, and stand 10 Bravo.
10 Bravo. Yeah, see, so you have to go up this way and around the top. It's a one-way system here, I take it.
Clear left.
Clear on the right-hand side.
Yeah, did my training as well. One of those.
I did Warriors 172s, 152s, 152s aerobatics. Yeah. And Beach Duchesses. All it does when you lose an engine is take it to the crash site. Because you get maybe 20 feet a second in a climb on a single engine.
So that's Lima November to the right, apron 3.
Yeah.
And I think they're waiting there already.
Ground Ryanair 1509, stand 1, departure clearance.
Ryanair 1509, ground clear to Lima, Papa Romeo via the Gozo 3 Bravo departure, runway 13. 562, slot 1707.
I think goes to 3 Bravo Guard at 5,000 feet, squawk 6562 and slot copied Ryanair 1509.
Ryanair 1509, feedback correct.
Yeah, go all in November and then it's to 1 from here.
923, request, slot up.
So we didn't miss it yet.
Postman 7923, information Oscar, start of
It's a
approval.
one-way
Roger,
system.
setup approved. Thank you, Postman 923.
It has the arrows here for a one-way system.
I had 10 Bravo, 11 Bravo. Straight ahead. There's the fuel bowser for Afgas or MOGAS.
Good old times. heard the twins are very nice.
The Rotax 912 engine normally, super reliable. And what I like about them is full fuel, full passengers, no issue with the weight and balance. You still have to check your performance, but weight and balance is not a problem. Okay, APU generator on please.
9 Alpha November, report to with tower 135.105, enjoy.
135.105 with tower 9 hot and Alpha November, thank you.
I don't like that this curb thing is over there.
It's really comes out really far. I'd say just keep it a little bit to the left.
now Ryanair 11 Kilo Quebec, request taxi.
It's very tight now. Make sure we're okay.
Well, I'm going straight now.
Say you calling again?
Ground Ryanair 11 Kilo Quebec, request taxi.
Ryanair 11 Kilo Quebec, taxi to holding point Foxtrot via Victor and Whiskey, QNH 1016. Confirmable intersection Foxtrot.
Taxi point Foxtrot via Victor, Whiskey, QNH 1016, confirmable from Foxtrot, Ryanair 11 Kilo Quebec.
Now it's 180 back, right?
Shutdown checklist.
Shutdown checklist. Park and brake.
On.
Thrust reversers.
Stowed.
APU gen.
On.
Gen 1 and Gen 2. Oh, careful, don't lose the thing because you want to update the maps, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't lose the...
Oh, okay. So, Gen 1 and Gen 2 off.
Okay, left and right boost pumps.
Off.
Right engine.
Shut down.
Left engine.
Ground Ryanair
Shut
2,
down.
Foxtrot
No
Romeo,
steering.
thank you.
Off.
1 Charlie.
Beacon.
Ryanair 3 Foxtrot Romeo, ground. Good evening, taxi descent to uniform and Victor.
On standby.
Stand to via
And
uniform and Victor.
I lead you on the internet on?
Oh, no, because we have mobile data.
Right.